Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Stella, and today I'm gonna make a seasoned vegetables using bean sprouts. Some people may be curious about what bean sprout is. It's a kind of a germinated bean that was produced in a shaded area. Most Koreans enjoy this food as a side dish, but you can use it as an ingredient in bibimbap too. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. We need bean sprouts, sesame oil, soy sauce, sesame, salt, and spring onion. So if you're ready, let's get started. Prepare bean sprout in a bowl and put 3 cups of cold water for 10 minutes. This process will make bean sprout clean and crispy. Afterwards, we have to trim bean sprouts. Remove the roots from bean sprouts. Do the rest of them in the same way. Next step would be finely chopped spring onion up. Cut the spring onion in a circular shape and chop it up. Put 1/3 of water into a pot and boil them. Put a trimmed bean sprout and add a bit of salt. Let it boil for 5 minutes. If it is done, turn off the heat and cool them on a scoop net. Wash them with 2 cups of cold water to make it crispy. The last part will be seasoning them. Put 1 spoon of spring onion. Put 1 teaspoon of sesame. Put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Put a half teaspoon of sesame oil so that it won't be too greasy. Put a half teaspoon of salt. Then mix them all together using hands. Mix them about 3 to 5 minutes. Ta-da! Let me try this one. This is so crispy! Try this at home and share with your family and friends. Did you enjoy this video? If there is any Korean recipes that you'd like to know, please leave the comment below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!